Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unwrapping the Honda. When I first bought this car, it came wrapped Nardo gray, which I think looks amazing, especially on the bronze TEs. I think it looks perfect, but the wrap job, as I've shown you guys in previous videos, is not the best. The wrap is just peeling from the edges. It's bubbling on the rear bumper. Lots of weird layovers, or whatever you call this. It's just not the highest quality wrap. My new wrap from KPMF has come in, so it is now time to unwrap this car. See how the body is underneath too, because they said they did a lot of body work. This car was apparently ready for paint, and then something happened and they decided to wrap the car. So it'll be interesting to see how the body work and paint is underneath. Doesn't matter for me right now because I am just going to be rewrapping it, at least for the winter time. I do have plans on repainting this car, but now is not the time. I was having a hard time finding a wrap that I liked that goes with the bronze TEs, because I don't really want to powder coat the original paint of the TEs. So I was trying to find a wrap that would look good with the bronze. And I came across this color. Normally, it's not my favorite color by any means, but from pictures, it looks pretty good. Worst case, we wrap the car this color. I don't like it. We can always rewrap it a different color as well. Or we can even go back to wrapping it Nardo gray. But I'll set you guys on a little time lapse of unwrapping this car, and we'll see how the body looks underneath. Lesson one I learned is you most definitely need to use a heat gun because it just breaks off when you try to peel it. So I'm gonna heat up the wrap. It should make pulling it a million times easier. Well, we have the first panel. We got the fender completely unwrapped. It was way more difficult pulling that wrap off than I thought. Has to be really warm for it to peel off somewhat smoothly, or else it just likes to break into a million little pieces. This wrap also has been on this car for like 4 years. It's been on here for a while, so it is old. I don't know what brand it was, so I don't know if good quality or whatnot. But we got the first panel undone. I've never taken wrap off before, so kind of annoying. I can see why people don't like doing that and they charge out the ass at wrap shops. I did also, I broke this clip thing that holds the trim piece on. Did not know how it came off, so ended up breaking it, which is all right with me. I have new ones anyway, or I think I do. I can order them anyway. They can't be that expensive, but yeah, I don't know how these clips work, so ended up breaking both of them. At least they wrapped under the trim pieces. I've seen a lot of people do wraps where they'll just tuck it on trim pieces and stuff, which is kind of half-assed, but they actually took off the trim pieces and wrapped beneath it, so +1 for them. It is also completely smooth on both sides. All the glue got left on the fender, which is fine. We'll have to go through and clean it off anyway before we lay the new wrap down. So to get this door panel out, it's very simple. You have a screw here on the door card. You have a screw behind this handle. And then you have a screw in this, and then you can remove all these little trim pieces. Just like that, and now this door card should come right out. And then right here are all the clips that hold that door trim piece in. When first starting taking off the wrap, I didn't realize how much goes into it because I've never done it before. So I never removed the headlights, the taillights, all the trim pieces, door cards, all that stuff. So now I'm removing everything so I can get the rest of this wrap off of here. I'm almost done with this rear quarter. I do now have to remove that trim piece. The way they designed this is very weird. To even get like the taillights out, you pretty much have to have this at least very loose to get behind to get the bolts, or all the way out. But now I need to take it all the way out because I think it's the same thing with the door where there's gonna be clips on the other side. So I have to get these seats pulled and get this trim piece removed so I can hopefully get this quarter panel trim removed. We are making some good progress. I did not ever envision this car being torn apart this much right now during this process, but it's also kind of nice because you guys can see just how dirty and crusty it is in here. So I can give it a nice wash, clean it up. We're making great progress on getting this wrap removed. I have the entire roof done and the full passenger side is completely done. I just have to work on this driver's side. nothing has been removed yet. It has been a headache getting this wrap removed. I started about 9 o'clock this morning, I think. It is currently 2:38 and I have not stopped. I've maybe taken like 20 minutes off. So it's taking me all day and will be all day once I finish getting this side done. But I'm excited to clean this car up a lot. I mean, interior is gutted too. I still have to pull the driver's seat, passenger seat. I need to go through and clean this car up as it deserves. It is quite disgusting. Every time I take something off, I just see a lot more nasty things. So we'll get this car cleaned up, get this wrap taken off. I am upset that it's taken me all day to get this wrap removed, because now that's probably all this video is going to be, is removing the wrap and whatnot. The next video will be probably cleaning up. There's glue still everywhere. It'll probably be getting the body prepped for the wrapping. But I'm gonna go ahead, set you guys on the time lapse again, getting this driver's side unwrapped. We're fast forwarding now many hours. It is now currently nighttime, but the car is completely finished. Everything is unwrapped. Also have the interior torn mostly apart. I'm gonna go through tomorrow and clean the entire interior up as well. Plus there's some missing stuff interior wise that I wanna install, so I will do that when the car is taken apart. So in the next video, I think I'm going to be getting the whole car prepped down, because it still has all its glue from the adhesive. Not all of it came up, so there's still quite a bit of glue from the adhesive on the car, so I still need to go through, get all the adhesive off, clean up the car, wash it probably, and do the whole process before wrapping. And then we can actually get to wrapping the car. I'm very excited to see how it look. Also, it'll be my first time wrapping anything or any large thing. I think the only thing I've wrapped before has been a mirror cap and a air management tank. So this will be a learning experience for me, but I'm all for it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope it was somewhat interesting. I know it's kind of boring just watching someone take off wrap, but hopefully in the next couple of videos, once I get down to wrapping the car, should be a little bit more entertaining, as I've never wrapped before. But that being said, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.